Have you ever wondered why some animals need shells? I'm a zoologist and this is my channel. And today we're going to talk about why some animals need shells to survive. If you stick with me till the end of the video, I'll answer the question. Do all animals that live in water need shells? So let's get into it. All animals need something hard on the inside to protect their vital organs from being crushed. In the animal kingdom, we call this an endoskeleton. Humans have an endoskeleton made of bone. If you wanted to find an animal without an endoskeleton, you would have to look for one that is a sponge. Sponges are the only animals that don't have an endoskeleton. Some animals, like crabs and lobsters, have shells. These are examples of what we call an exoskeleton. An exoskeleton is like armor around the body. It's hard and protects the animal from being crushed from the outside. But there are even harder coverings than that. Some animals have shells and then a shell. A shell is hard like your fingernail and is made of keratin, which is also what your fingernails are made of. A shell is hard like a rock and is made of calcium carbonate. This is the same thing that makes limestone and pearls. So some animals like turtles have shells made of both of these things. The inside part of the shell is made of keratin and the outside part is made of calcium carbonate. It can be really heavy to carry around a shell or armor, especially if you're small. When you're small, everything is bigger in proportion to your body. Imagine if you had to carry around a backpack that weighed 100 pounds. If you were a giant, that would be like a turtle carrying around a backpack weighing 28 pounds. But turtles aren't the smallest animals in the world. Turtles and tortoises are reptiles. Reptiles also have scales. Scales are made of both keratin and calcium carbonate, just like shells. Even though they're not as strong as shells, scales still help protect the animal underneath them. So if you're wondering why a bird needs feathers or a snake needs scales, it's because these things help protect their bodies and keep them safe from harm. Now, remember at the beginning of the video when I asked if all animals that live in water need shells? Well, the answer is no. Look at jellyfish. They live underwater, but they don't have shells or skeletons of any kind. That's because they have stinging cells. Their stinging cells help protect them from animals that try to eat them. Jellyfish have stinging cells in their skin. These cells actually inject a venom into the animal that eats them, and this helps protect them from predators. Another example of an animal that doesn't need a shell to stay safe in water is the hagfish. Hagfish live deep in the ocean and make a slime that protects them. This slime covers their bodies and makes it hard for predators to eat them. So some animals need shells, some need scales, and some need a different way to protect themselves, like a slime or stinging cells. Think of it this way. When you go swimming, maybe you put on sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun. Animals that live in water all the time need a shell or some other protection to keep safe. Some animals have shells, and some animals don't. But all animals need some kind of protection to keep them safe from being eaten. I hope you enjoyed learning about animals that have shells. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have it. If you could share what you VA learned with your friends and family, you can also share your ideas for future videos. This has been my channel. Remember, if you want to keep learning about animals, you can visit our website. I'll see you next time.